All right, well, I can't catch any fish, but I can show you how to retrieve a spook. This is a Zara Spook, bleeding shad. I believe it's probably 5 inches, 4.5, 5 inches. Okay, here, we'll go over here, less glare. Keep it short. All right, so it floats as a top water bait. You want to keep some slack in it. See that movement? Reel, twitch, reel, twitch. I'm better on my other side here, but so that's called walking the dog. So it's twitch, twitch, reel, twitch, twitch, reel, twitch, twitch, reel, right? Once you get it down, you can pretty well master it. Now what's happening, if you can tell, a couple of my twitches, they're not moving side to side, they're just going forward, right? Well, that's because I don't have enough slack in my line. I'm reeling too fast. So make sure, and it's not, it depends on your gear ratio, but this is a 7.3, I believe. Yeah, I believe it's a 7.3. And I'm doing almost a full turn, sometimes half. And that will walk that dog nice and pretty. And the way I do it, as I'm twitching, it's forcing the reel motion, because I'm basically keeping my right hand stationary, and I let my left hand basically determine the speed of the reel there. And if you can't figure it out, just remember, it's always better to have more slack in your line than it is to be taunt. That's the spook, baby, that's the spook. They come in various sizes, all the same shape, obviously, but that's the spook.